YouTube, Sarah Ashley here. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this unit coming from the hair company Wiggins. If I'm just being completely honest with you guys, this wig was the most difficult time I've ever had customizing a unit ever, okay? There were so many things wrong with this unit. Of course, I'll go into detail about it towards the end of the video. I'm also very ashamed to say there will be some parts in the video where you do see my lace and even some of my edges. I know. But if you would like to see how I got this look, stay tuned for the end of the video and let's get into it. I'm gonna keep it 100% with you guys. I struggled with this wig. Okay guys, this is a 180 density straight lace front wig. It's Brazilian virgin hair and it's 20 inches. The parting I believe is a 4x4 if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me. I'm gonna go ahead and link everything you need to know about this hair down below. Ooh. This hair got some. Okay, I'm gonna link everything you need to know about this hair down below. Let's just get straight into how I feel about this hair. It's super silky. It feels really nice. I love the way it feels, like no complaints there. The length for me is a little bit shorter than a 20 inch for me. I don't know, it's not really long. It probably just comes right, I don't know guys, it just falls right there. It's just, the length's okay. So my issues with the hair is that the flyaways are ridiculous. If you guys saw in that one part I was showing you when I was showing you the wig before I put it on, it had like some really short pieces like in the inside. Like I don't know what went wrong with the sewing and stuff like that. They say they inspect it like 3 times before they ship it out, but I don't know. The shedding is minimal. It's some shedding, but it's very minimal. That's my main issue with this hair though. Also, another really big thing I do not like about this hair is the ear tabs. They're non-existent. There are no ear tabs. The way that the hairline is, it's like, I don't even know how to explain it, but I wanted to do a no glue method with this wig. The cap came pretty small. I got a medium and it fits more like a small to me, which is fine. I have a smaller head anyways. But so keep that in mind when you guys are picking out your caps. It came as a medium, but it fits like a small. So the ear tabs are non-existent. If you guys can see here, there are no ear tabs. Like this is just kind of how it goes. And it's like, I don't know what this situation is. I did not cut this way. This is how it came. All I did was take the lace off. So I'm not sure about that part right there. So I don't know. That's why I cut out like some pieces on the side. So if I wanted to tuck it away, it wouldn't, like my hair wouldn't show. But I don't think it's working. Anyways, the 180 density, I guess it feels a little bit more like a 150 to me, but It could be a 180, I don't know. Maybe next time I'll try their 200. If I even try them again, I'm not sure, guys. Like, I am very disappointed with, for one, the like really short flyaway hairs that were in here that I had it parted a little bit more to this side, but I had to like change the parting because the flyaways were like sticking up like that, and they were thick too, so it was hard to get them to stay down. So let me know what you guys think about this wig. I don't know, I'm in the middle. I don't hate it. It's not like a horrible wig. Like, the lace part is very, very nice. Guys, that's my dog crying. Hold on, let me let him out. The lace is really, really nice, and I think too that this is a Swiss lace, if I'm not mistaken. I have to go back and look. I don't know, you guys can see the description will be, the description of the wig will be down in the description. But I think it's a Swiss lace. So the lace is really nice. I don't mind the lace at all. Have no problem with that. I just have a problem with the way it was made. I will say that I did contact them to let them know that the wig seemed a little bit shorter than I expected it to be for a 20-inch. It's looking more like a 16-inch, or not a 16, an 18-inch to me. But they told me that, like, you know, measure it, send a video of me measuring it. So I was like, whatever, I'll just keep it. I have not curled it. Now, I did flat iron it. I forgot to tell you guys that. Before I started doing the video, I did flat iron it off camera, so that's why it looks like so bone straight right now. It did come like, not wavy, but it came with like a, like bumped a little bit. So this is it flat ironed. Like I said, it feels silky and beautiful. It's really, really nice quality hair. It's just the way the wig was made, I'm not too much a fan of. The density, I'm not too much a fan of. The length, I'm not too much a fan. Once again, the description will be, why do I keep saying description? The specs about this hair will be down below in the description.